In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate auto order fulfillment feature on Zendrop. It is designed to simplify your order management process. Let's explore how to make the most of this convenient tool. The auto fulfillment feature is available on their Pro plan or Plus plan. Head over to the Orders section to locate it. Within the Orders section, you'll find the Auto Fulfill button. When toggled off, orders require manual fulfillment. However, by toggling it on, all incoming orders will be automatically fulfilled while the switch is active. Isn't that time-saving? With auto fulfillment enabled, orders are processed effortlessly. The credit card associated with each order is automatically charged. You can sit back and relax, knowing that orders are being taken care of without any manual intervention required. If you prefer to manually fulfill orders or need to adjust any details, simply toggle the auto fulfill feature off. This gives you the flexibility to manage orders according to your preferences and specific requirements. By utilizing the auto fulfillment feature, you can streamline your orders fulfillment process and focus on other aspects of your business. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that orders are being processed efficiently and accurately. Harness the power of their autofill feature to streamline your order fulfillment process and elevate your business operations. Say goodbye to manual processing and hello to effortless order management. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.